It's got some data integration APIs, and it's been a lot of fun.
Okay.
I've been trying to get Postman up and running on it, and it's been giving me some challenges. So I figured I'd give you the quickest way to get this resolved is to figure just chat with you. How you can show me exactly how to run through it, and and then I should be up to the races. So um,
Okay.
cool.
I can start.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Yeah. If you could, that'd be terrific.
Is my resolution too wide for you? Can you? It's loading, I think.
Uh,
Is it
it's
too
okay.
wide?
I think it's okay.
It's
Actually,
okay.
no, it's
Okay.
actually a little. It is too small. Sorry,
Oh, it's too small. Then
too
let me
small.
see if I can. Um, um,
It doesn't have to be super huge. It's just a little bit bigger.
okay. Now it's
Oh, that's
better.
great. That's great. Yeah.
Okay. So first thing you need to do is to get the token. We discussed that on the forum,
Right.
but it's basically this, and then API of signing.
Right.
I'll send you this folder when we finish.
Okay. Cool.
Um, okay. Body.
You got to use JavaScript instead of
Oh,
JSON.
no,
Okay.
my mistake. This is JSON. Okay. And then this is probably where you got stuck. Here on the you see this Barry token.
Yep.
Okay. So this is enough for you to authorize this request. So when we send it, okay, validation, unauthorized. Okay, why was that? Get. Okay. Oh, that's odd. Let's try a different approach.
Ah.
Okay, yes, the tool seems to be broken because when you use Barry token, that should work. But okay, let's do this way.
Okay.
So yeah, so from here, and also maybe you said you want to do an integration, so maybe this other endpoint is something that you may use. Um,
What's the other endpoint for? Or
I'll show you in a minute.
okay. Cool.
Okay, this off me, it gets the current user. Okay, um, uh, are you using multi-tenant on this?
Yes.
On this? Okay, so you see the result here. You receive the tenants,
Mm-hmm.
and then I don't know how the integration will work, but basically you can grab the tenant via this JSON,
Yeah.
and and then when you do some requests like this one, you just place the tenant ID here,
Yeah.
and that's basically it. Do you want to just check some creation? Do you want to create some record? Is this a production database?
It's not a production database yet. It's just testing.
Okay, so let's suppose we want to create a service schedule.
Yeah.
Um, can I create anything here?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's also something you can do to check the, okay, no, this gets, okay. So when you're copying some requests, you basically get the method.
Right.
You go here and post, and then you can copy the URL. Okay, and then because it is a post, we need to pass this payload.
Right.
We can just go and copy and go to body. From Postman. Oh, I always, okay. So okay, this one I created. So if I go here and create email verified, okay. Yeah, I forgot the token. So
if you put the token in a parameter, or
yeah. On each request, I need to add this out. Probably there's a better way. I'll show you in a minute. But basically, you need this header authorization. Okay, so the object was created. You go here and search. It's here.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So I think I just need to put that whole bearer token in a dynamic variable, or in a hidden variable.
Yes, that's works best. So locker.
It's double quotes, I think.
This called token.
I think it's put it in double quotes, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Or yeah, in double curly braces. There you go.
Okay. I forgot. Okay, now it's. I need to check the. Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay. Good.
So, do you want me to explain anything else?
No. That's. I think you've figured out actually two challenges that I've had, and I think they're both related to the same thing, and that is that there's probably some kind of issue with with Postman and the bearer token, but because I've been having the same issue on another site trying to get their tokens to validate as well. But I think it's the same thing. So the same challenge. Awesome.
Okay.
That was it. Shit. That's
it. I'll send you the files. I don't know if do you want me to send those files or you?
Yeah, no, send them, please. Yeah, that's good.
I'll pack and send.
Sweet.
Yeah. I'll charge you half an hour. It's that fair?
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay.
Thanks, man. I appreciate your help. Okay. And I may ping you back and forth a couple of times over the next couple of weeks. There's yeah. So basically, what I'm doing is I've got this back end app that we're gonna we have orders running through it, and the orders basically go from table to table. So we'll need to move some data around. But I think now that we have an ability to pull the API, I think we'll be fine.
Okay, that's great.
Awesome. Thank you. God, that makes so much. It makes so much more sense. I was going nuts with it yesterday. It was like, why the hell doesn't this work? Oh,
Yeah, this very. Yeah, yes. Actually, it was also my fault. I trust the postman. I thought postman would handle that correctly, but yeah.
it really wouldn't be a bad thing just to generate like a small little quick YouTube video and throw that up on your site because it literally took me a couple of days of digging around and fidgeting with it, and then I was like, I don't know how to get in there. So
Okay, I think I will create a web page, no, not a video, but just maybe a
okay,
simple file, and I think that will solve issues for.
yeah, that's a good idea.
I think I'll do it now. I think I'm already here on the computer, so I'll write this document. And I think it will help more.
Yeah. As saw a couple of posts on this on this on Scaffold Hub about uh, Discord about trying to get it resolved. It was like I don't know how it's happening, so that would be helpful. Yes.
Okay.
Thanks, pal. How you
Okay.
doing?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
Um.
You ready for Christmas?
Yeah. 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 I'll travel to another city for Christmas with my family.
Excellent. Everybody safe?
Yes. Everybody's safe.
Good.
And how about you?
Yeah, no, everybody's safe here. We're maintaining our social distance from
Nice.
everybody around. So
Oh
um,
yeah, me too. Our family too. We're just united with us, but external we're not.
yeah, it's tough though, right? Because it's like we're I'm a very huggy person, and it's like I like to go up to people and hug them. Hey, how you doing, right? And you just can't do that anymore. It's just not acceptable.
Yeah. Yeah. Now we just do a little punch. You know that. Uh, I'm not with the camera because there's people before me, so they are doing other things. So I don't want to show, but yeah.
It's all good, man. Ah, all right. Thank you. I'm good. Like I said, I'll probably ping you a couple. I'm sure I'll ping you if I run into any issues, but that helps me out immensely.
Okay, I'm happy to help.
All right,
Okay.
pal. Thanks, man.